name is Sans, your chef. And now I will show you how to prepare red label in Filipino style. First, you will put the red label that you will drink. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Red label from Tito Mel, $30. And then you will put the chaser. The chaser is very important in this First you will put the soft drinks. Yung mukha ko din, baka hindi nakikita.
Oh, nakikita yan.
Soda.
Soda.
Then the tomato seeds. Tomato seeds is very important. The tomato seeds. Then the newspaper from New York. New York Times newspaper.
Garnish.
Very important is the New York Times paper. It's a very important one. And then ano sa English ng lagtamel?
Mango.
Ha?
The Canadian.
Degta of mango. The degta of mango. This is very crucial.
This is very crucial.
You should get. Yan. You see the white droppings? That is the degta. Very crucial, the degta. And then you will fillet the tomato. It's important to tap on the fillet. Oh no, that's the important part. You will put that. And then the pipino seeds.
Cucumber.
Mukha ko din.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. In short, burr. Cucumber seeds. Then this is very crucial. You see? And then what else? Oh, the New York Times, very important. Again. A New York Times is a newspaper from New York. This is very important. Whoop.
Thank you.
First, you should
Swirl.
swerge. Bulungan nyo ko. And then you... Of course, the very special cheese. And of course, it's time for our guest to taste it. First of all, our guest from California.